They're failures. Morning coffee and I'm topping it off with some of this cream. So good. Wait, that cream is so good. I feel like I make the best whipping cream for the top of my coffees. Aren't these glasses the freaking cutest? I am going to do some work today and then I'm going to make some cookies because I have my church group tonight and I thought it'd be really cute to make these little bear shaped Christmas cookies, but I'm going to pipe them so they have a little bit more texture to them. But let's get to work, and on my lunch break is when I will start cooking. We are going to make some butter cookies and I want to pipe them so they look like really cute shapes. The goal is to do little teddy bear shapes like this with like little Santa hats. And if we're feeling super creative, maybe like a green tree. But this recipe shouldn't be too bad. It says it'll take about 30 minutes, a total of an hour and 15, which will be perfect. I have a call in like half an hour, so we'll make the batter and we'll pipe it out, maybe chill it, and then we will come back and cook it. So let's go ahead and get started. We need the unsalted butter, 1 cup.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear.
Okay, now the scary part is the piping. I don't know if I can do that. We are on our way to pick up the food for our church group because it is my week, and guys, I think the last thing you saw was me absolutely failing at those cookies because they were rock hard, but luckily I had half of them left and I just like cooked them a little less. So I brought those with me, but they're just kind of like swirls, they're not teddy bears. Okay, but you know what, like part of the holiday season is creating things for people to enjoy, but we will see if they even enjoy them. At least I had fun. I think maybe just basic sugar cookies are my choice of cookie to make.
No light.
Yeah, it's because the light isn't like natural light.
Okay, there's a few.
Okay, what do you think?
They're so good.
You sure?
Don't let her gaslight you. They were really good.
I feel like as long as it brought you happiness, it did what it should have done.
I could eat the whole plate.
She said it was like bread.
Yeah. It's like a sweet bread.
All right. Heard it from here, folks. We are getting a drink. Oh, do you remember this game?
Yes, I do. Or if I knew whatever.
Hi, how are you, ladies?
Hi, good. How are you?
Okay, everyone, we are ending tonight's vlog here. I just got back from being at the bar with my friends and my community group. I just wanted to end it kind of saying like this was a crazy vlog, but I feel like it kind of embodied what the holidays are about, being able to spend time with some friends. And I really tried with those cookies, but I'm glad at least it brought happiness to some people who ate it. And if you didn't eat it, that's quite all right. I totally understand. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next one, and happy Vlogmas.
To wish us